Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je m'appelle Séverine. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. My name is Séverine. This podcast is dedicated to travelers. Be more than a tourist by listening to Speak French avec moi, your French coach. We are going to talk about going to small farm markets and small stores in France. When you travel in France, it is very fun to go and try all the food that we have, and especially if you go to the farm market. So, in this module, we will learn how to shop for French food. Now, here is a list of names of the most common fruits and their pronunciations. Le fruit, fruit. La pomme, apple. La pomme, apple. L'orange, orange. L'orange, orange. La poire, pear. La poire, pear. La banane, banana. La pêche, peach. La pêche, peach. L'abricot, apricot. L'abricot, apricot. La fraise, strawberry. La fraise, strawberry. La framboise, raspberry. La framboise, raspberry. La cerise, cherry. La cerise, cherry. Feel free to share your comments on my Facebook page, Speak French avec moi, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Speak French avec moi. Merci.